And what's in your pocket there?
Keep your hands out of your pocket.
Okay. I live with my girlfriend.
Okay.
Police get access to an encrypted messaging app wherein they set up the suspect, who goes by the name of Spicy Wiener, who trades, buys, and sells explicit pictures of young children online. They intercept him as he walks down the street.
Nick? Are you Nick?
Nick?
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is Nicholas Otero.
Nicholas Otero? Okay.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, why don't you take your hands out of your pocket for me, okay? My name's Officer Hernwicki. I'm with Whitefish Bay PD.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to talk to you about some stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have anything on you in your backpack or anything?
Just my lunch and stuff.
And what's in your pocket there?
It's my phone, my wallet, my keys, my headphones.
Okay. Is your cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay. No weapons or anything on you?
No?
Okay. Like I said, I'm from Whitefish Bay. We need to talk to you about some stuff. So we're going to take you into custody right now. And we'll explain everything to you. Absolutely. We'll explain what's going on here. But right now we just need to talk to you about some stuff that's been going on online. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, real quick, just so I know, I just want to make sure, I know who I'm talking with here. Nicholas E.
Yeah.
Eugene
Yes.
Otero. What's your date of birth, Nick?
2003.
And what?
I live at Avenue.
What unit number?
Apartment 50.
Do you have an ID on you? Keep your hands in your pocket.
Yeah, it's in my.
Keep your hands in your pocket.
Okay.
Where's it at?
It's in this pocket.
Mind if I get it?
Yes.
Do you have any roommates or anything, or you usually live alone?
I live with my girlfriend.
Okay. Sounds good.
Can you please tell me what's going on?
Okay, we'll talk. We'll go to the station real quick. I'll tell you everything that's going on. I'll explain everything to you. Okay? Not a problem. Okay. All right.
I'll put this in your backpack.
Okay, thank you.
I'll take your water bottle too. Put in your backpack.
Okay, thank you.
I'll just search them quick and then.
Take your backpack off.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Don't worry.
Am I in trouble?
We'll talk at the
Put your
station. Like I
hands
said,
on
we
your
should talk about some stuff that's been going on and see if we can get you some help or see what you need to do. Okay?
That's just my headphones. That's my headphones.
You got his phone?
Yeah, I got your phone. And you'll get all the stuff back, all right?
Throw these in your...
And your phone's right here. You have this too, okay, Nick?
Okay.
You prefer Nick or Nicholas?
Nick. Nick works.
Just throw it in there.
I have my headphones on right now. They're not playing anything. They're just on.
Yeah. We'll just take them off and I don't want him to die in you, okay?
Okay.
We'll just put them in there. Anything else in these
Can you
pockets,
just
Nick?
radio log? I've got one adult male in custody.
There's just. I don't think there's anything. On my inside pocket, there's a rubber ducky,
Rubber
and that's
ducky?
just a bandana.
1721 Lafayette.
Okay, rubber ducky here?
Yeah, just in there. There might be a paper or something in there too.
No, rubber ducky. Not even a Jeep driver, huh? There's like rubber duckies? I'll keep his ID and I got his phone, so.
Here, we'll go over to the car and I'll finish searching.
Okay, Nick, we'll explain everything to you. Not gonna hide anything from you. We'll explain everything that's going on, okay?
Okay.
I'll let them take him back, Joe. We'll let them take him back and then we'll meet him there. So. 1253 is the recent one.
Okay.
Oh, worse one still. Just tell me to push the damn button.
It's open. It is open.
Is he all good to go?
I got it, sir.
There's nothing on here that's going to hurt people. Stick it anyway.
I don't believe so. There should be nothing in there.
Nothing illegal, no drugs.
No, definitely not.
Okay. I'm just making sure.
I don't know.
You're talking about?
Yeah.
I got the little
Nothing
duck
in
out of
there,
there.
just the rubber ducky. Yes, this should be it.
Put your chest right up against the door here. In the car. Spread that car.
Okay.
Spread your feet for me. Spread. All right, nothing on you that I missed? If I did, tell me right now.
I don't believe so.
Okay.
Just kind of. There you go.
21-year-old Nicholas Otero also worked as an employee at the Jewish Community Center's daycare for young children. Thankfully, there's no evidence that any children at the daycare were victims. Nicholas was immediately suspended from the Jewish Community Center's daycare, and soon after, he resigned completely from this position. Large volumes of files found on X and Discord showed that Nick was in possession of around 2,000 pictures and videos of underage individuals. Nicholas Otero was arrested and charged with 3 felonies, and his bond was set at $2,500. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.